Hey, this is Motell Granite the Great. Another hiccup conversation. And y'all killing the feeling. To be honest with you. Y'all are totally just killing the feeling. And because y'all nerves are dead right now because of your past, what you've been through, who drug you through it, and because you can't get over it. Y'all killing the feeling. Now, I got this natural vibe to try to be loving, spiritual, romantic, or whatever else that goes with it. And y'all just killing that vibe. Y'all are taking that feeling and y'all are crushing it around the throat, choking the larynx out of success, choking the larynx out of happiness. Don't smile, motherfucker, don't smile. Don't cheese at all. Don't be happy. Y'all killing the feeling. I still love y'all though.